Bust the rhymes, yo. Word mother, yo. Check it out, yo. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip modes and squad in the place, yo.
Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires. Making you run, me and my done stacking my one. Floss a little invest up in the mutual fund. Flowing on a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous.
What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing good. Thank y'all so much for coming to watch another one of my videos. So I wanted to show y'all this wig that I was sent from Wiggins Hair. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sending me out this wig. I truly appreciate it. But they sent me out a 26-inch body wave wig. It is their HD Lace Frontal. It's a 13x4. Of course, y'all know I did go in and bleach my knots and I plucked the hairline. And I also, of course, customized it to match my hairline. I will say, if you don't want to pluck the hairline, you don't have to. It does come pre-plucked, but I did go in, as you can see, and I plucked it some. But the hairline, y'all, like the hairline was so beautiful, and just the knots on it, it was single knotted. I love wigs that are single knotted. It just makes the install just so much more perfect. But yeah, I did no baby hairs with this because the hairline was giving, and y'all, the lace on this one, thin, okay. But yeah, applied it the glue this way. Y'all know how I do. And to style it, I put me some loose curls in it using my wand curler. Y'all will see that further down in the video. But y'all, this whole style and this whole wig was giving. I really love this wig. So if you're interested in this wig and you know you're looking for some good quality hair, definitely check out Wiggins Hair. All of their information will be down in the description box. And again, big shout out to Wiggins Hair for allowing me to try out this wig. I really appreciate it. And I want to thank each and every one of you for coming through to support my channel and watch another one of my videos. I love y'all so much. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the footage, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.
Whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on. This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us, cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the rock left, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you know only the strongest survive. Holding my heat, under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. Give me it down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you up, the new shit, rocking you up, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding several money market account. Blaze the fate, and then I would just like to announce. Feeling my groove, my jigga, making you bounce. Others is bad, making my niggas breaking the bread. Shaking it, we got you niggas holding your head. Afraid of us, you know this ain't the game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on, this is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us, cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. We so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on. One time, y'all, throw your hands real high, y'all. Yeah, get down, y'all. Let me see you all, y'all. Bust the rhymes, flip mode, y'all. 1998, y'all. Get down, y'all.
Bust the rhymes, yo. Word mother, yo. Check it out, yo. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make it feel good, make it feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip modes and squad in the place, yo.
Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires. Making you run me and my done stacking my one. Floss little invest up in the mutual fund. Flowing on a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Half the head, the fool be so immaculate. Hey yo, I take my dough, sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive oil. Little hoodie dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on. This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Hold your breath, we swinging it from right to left. With the rock left, nigga should be hot to death. Staying alive, you're only the strongest survive. Holding my heat under my seat, whipping the fire. Baseline for all of my people moving around. You need it down, all of my niggas holding it down. Cutting you out, the new shit, rocking you out, fucking you up. My black hole, sucking you up. Back in the days, that nigga used to be ass out. Now a nigga holding several money market account. Blaze the fate, and then I would just like to announce. Feeling my groove, my jigga, making you bounce. Others is bad, making my niggas breaking the bread. Straight getting it, we got you niggas holding your head. Afraid of us, you know this ain't the game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on, this is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. We so dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous. Come on. One time, y'all, throw your hands real high, y'all. Yeah, get down, y'all. Let me see you all, y'all. Bust the rhymes, flip mode, y'all. 1998, y'all. Get down, y'all.
Bust the rhymes, yo. Word mother, yo. Check it out, yo. Just swing to the left, swing to the right. Make you feel good, make you feel alright. One time, feel good, yeah, yo. Bust the rhymes in the place, yo. Making you feel real good, yo. Flip modes and squad in the place, yo.
Buck wild to all of my niggas who don't care. Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires. Making you run me and my done stacking my one. Floss little invest up in the mutual fund. Flowing on a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Half the head, the fool be so immaculate. Hey yo, I take my dough, sipping my mo. Sipping it slow, them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive oil. Little hoodie dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on. This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous.